Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Facebook cover photo using GetStencils. Creating a Facebook cover photo using GetStencil is a simple process that allows you to design a custom cover that aligns with your branding or personal style. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencils.com and log in to your account. You can create a new design from a dashboard. In the design editor, you can either start from scratch or use a pre-made template. To make a Facebook cover template, click on this option here. And you need to create a Facebook cover size. Click on Custom Create and type in the name. After that, the standard size of the Facebook cover photo is 820 by 312 pixels. So type in 820 in width and in height type in 312. After that, click on Create button. Now you'll find the option in the custom section. Click on Set. You can select a background for a cover photo by clicking on the Photos tab, or you can also upload it manually. You can add a text by clicking on Add Text option. Adjust everything you want in the text like color, font, its opacity, blurriness and all. You can also add shapes. Go to icons and select the shapes you want. Once your design is ready, click on Save button and click on Download to download it in a PNG or JPG format. Creating a custom Facebook cover photo in GetStencil is simple and allows you to design something unique that aligns with your brand. By using templates, background image and text, you can create a professional cover photo that enhances your Facebook profile or page. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.